Hey, Travis here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a GoPro Hero 6 versus Hero 7 underwater comparison. I'm currently at La Jolla Cove in San Diego, California, my home base. I'm going to have the Hero 6 and Hero 7 mounted to this GoPro mount. I'm going to have Hyper Smooth on the GoPro Hero 7, standard stabilization on the Hero 6. I'm excited to see how the colors compare, how the stabilization is underwater. Alright, let's get to it. Well, I enjoyed making this Hero 6 versus Hero 7 comparison video. I noticed two things mainly. The Hero 7 had a slightly less green tint to it and was definitely more stable and had gimbal-esque characteristics. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you.